This is DJ Freecity. Just do business. So if you want to do corporate, you want to be an entrepreneur, you want to do sports, if you just want to create something out of thin air, a tech or something, Atlanta has that opportunity for you. So when I got down here and I saw just the opportunities, I was like, whoa, I don't want to do sales anymore. I want to try this out, So that's kind of how that transition happened. Virginia was a more professional environment. Atlanta is more entertainment, like non-traditional. A lot of people, most of my friends don't even have 9 to 5s, but that's how Atlanta is because they figure out how to make money through non-traditional hours. Right. It might be a 10 to 6 or, 10 p.m. to 2 a.m., but that's just the thing. In Virginia, most of my friends go to work at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the morning, and they get off in the evenings, and they got Saturday and Sundays off. I know people out here who might take 3 weeks off and they be gone for 9 months.
Wow. Like what? So Atlanta, you saying it's like more of an entrepreneur city?
Absolutely. It's more happening. It's more opportunity. It's more moving parts. It's a younger city. That's the best way to put it. Virginia is a commonwealth, so you got all them old people with all them old rules and old laws to keep people in control and where they supposed to be.
Wow. Let me ask you a question. Do you think you can, with what you know right now, right? Do you think you can make some certain changes in Virginia?
Absolutely.
Or do you think it's harder because you said like the old rules and the old laws of business?
Yeah, it's definitely a lot of old mindsets in Virginia. It's a lot of old people. But the good thing about old people is they're going to die soon. So when they die, then we could come in with new energy.
Don't say that, they're going to die.
It's the truth. It's the truth. I'm not going to kill them, but just, naturally they're going to die. Right. So when all these old people with their old thinking die, and we get some young progressives in there who don't care about all the stuff that, from way back in the past. It's like we're people, we're equal as people, let's move forward. How can we all be successful? We're happy.
Right. What would you do? Is there something that you would change when you were younger? That you know now, or you would keep everything the same?
Oh man, that's a trick question. Of course there would be things that I would change, but if I made any changes, I might not be where I am right now. So, I'll just leave it like it is,
Do you have any when breaking certain things down, right? Mm-hmm. Let's see. Hold on, let me check. When breaking your path down, going towards the future, in the next 5 to 10 years, where do you want to see yourself just doing business?
I want to see myself doing business on a global scale and my brand to be recognized globally. Okay.
And what type of business is it? What type of business? Break down your ideal business to you're saying the business, you're saying you want to be recognized globally. You're saying what is the business per se that you want to, your passionate business that you want the world to globally know you for? Is it the DJing aspect? Is it the marketing aspect? It's
the business of enjoying life, having a good time.
Wow.
And with that, everything falls under that. DJing, the marketing, all that,
Wow. So basically we bringing it back to Diddy.
Living for a living.
Diddy, he's that side.
Yeah, you can say that.
Business of enjoying.
Yeah, absolutely. When people generally think of Diddy, they think of, dancing, upbeat, good time,
Wow.
So there's a way you
say that again. The business, you want your business to be the business of enjoyment?
Enjoying life. I'm in the business of enjoying life.
I never heard that one before,
hey, man,
bro. I never heard that one. The business of enjoying life. And take us to that business and enjoy this. Break that down.
So what that looks like.
Close it up. Tell me. I really want to know.
All right. So when you're in the business of enjoying life, It's bigger than that, you know. It's to the point where when you go to sleep at night, you're so excited about what you're doing, you don't even want to go to sleep because you just want to get to the next day because you just enjoy life so much. It's about getting up before your alarm clock goes off, you know. It's about helping out your homies, your friends, your family, so y'all can all collectively get to that next level and do things together, you know. So I get a car, you get a car, you know. We all got nice cars now. So it's about, yeah, going on trips with your friends, enjoying life, eating good, you know, staying healthy, good mental health. So that's what that means.